Good afternoon, everyone. This is Anthony, Wall Street Trader. It's 3:21 p.m. Eastern Standard on May 13th, 2021. Just wanted to get this midday update out. I normally do two a day, but I have to force this one in the middle of the day because not everyone's subscribed to Twitter, and I think it's important you know what's going on. Let's quickly run through the fact that this is not financial advice, only educational. Trade at your own risk. Twitter, subscription buttons below. Let's get right into the market. NuCypher drearily down to 38. Still in that downward channel. We haven't changed course here. We were really hopeful up here. Really, took a nasty spill, but all obviously based. NuCypher Bitcoin pair is fairly okay. 787 has been kind of where it's been at for like several, almost a month now. So not worried about NuCypher Bitcoin or the strength thereof. Bitcoin, the benchmark, is really taking a dump. Why? A couple of factors. Elon Musk? Not really. Not really. Elon came out we needed something to correct this market in Bitcoin. And as I've pointed out a few times, we've had a couple of support levels here. I personally think the second layer of support here between the 40 and 42K is max pain. It could even be worse than that. I don't really know at this point, but technically we're bouncing off this predefined support line that I've had on this chart now for over a month. So please understand that, this bouncing around here may result in a bounce up, which is we're up actually at 48,603. We actually, recently just bounced down. Let's take a drill down into the chart. So earlier today, this was actually late yesterday around 10:30 or so. We had hit 45, high 45s. And then today we hit 46,940. I fully anticipated that. There was some chart action over here going on that led me to believe that we were going to have another drop. We hit the drop. We bounced back up. Here we are. Look, I fully anticipate that we probably will have another downward trek. And if we have a downward trek again, this is the trek that I'm thinking that we'll get to. This will be around in or about the 40 to 42. So as of right now, we stand at 48,881. Look, we're supposed to have a correction here. Let's get on with this. Personally, I'd prefer just drop. If it does make this drop down here, as I've mentioned earlier, if it hits 41, I'll be buying NuCypher if the NuCypher Bitcoin pair at that point is under 800 or actually under 900. You don't want it too strong. You don't want it too strong because when it starts going back up, you want it as small as it can be at this point down here. Anyway, so I think that we will waddle around this area in the 48. We may bounce back to 50. I have a feeling 50 is going to be a resistance area, and I'll probably have more of a line drawn in terms of where I think the resistance will be, but I think it's right around here, 5310, 50,310 rather. So keep your eye on this. I fully hope that everyone's staying safe while trading, and like I said, panic selling, panic buying is not typically where you want to be. You want to kind of have this stuff planned out. But anyway, enough of me talking. Have a good day, guys. I'll see you later on tonight.